high risk and low risk ideas for our viewers today.
So the first one which I'm picking up is from the auto pack, and that's about Tata Motors. A very interesting chart. The stock breaking out of a bullish flag pattern. This is more of a short-term flag pattern. But when you look at the relative outperformance on the auto sector overall, I think Tata Motors has been one of the stocks which has been a rank outperformer even on the short-term charts as well. So I believe that the stock can break out on the upside and continue to move up higher. 330, 335 should be a potential target range for Tata Motors call. Stop loss could be kept at approximately 309 mark. The second stock is from the Tata Stallion again, and it's about Tata Chemicals. Now, this is a completely different, chart altogether. It's gained significant strength in the last, few weeks. We've seen the stock moving up from levels of 700 to 800 in just a matter of a couple of weeks. And even at current levels, the momentum is extremely strong. You had those mild, intraday corrections in between for Tata Chemicals, but it's not, really changed or led to a change of course for the stock, and it's gained a lot of traction on the upside. We've seen the entire sector, the chemical sector overall, buzzing quite strongly. So I would believe, or I would be of the belief that Tata Chemicals could move up higher significantly, even from current levels, because the stock is in such a strong momentum. Buy with a target of 888, and stop loss could be kept at approximately 800 mark.
All right, thanks so much for that, Kunal. A couple of names from the Tata stable to bear in mind for you, and those are trading calls from Kunal. Let's go across to Vikas Sethi now. Good morning, Vikas. Thanks so much for taking the time. What are the high risk and low risk ideas that you've identified for our viewers today?
Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Sharil. My ideas today would be again long-term ideas. They are meant for investment from a perspective of at least 9 to 12 months. I would like to recommend two solid mid-cap ideas. The first one is INEOS Styrolution, which is currently quoting at around 1,050 rupees. It's an MNC company with its parent based in the UK. This company is a leading manufacturer of ABS. There are actually two companies in India which manufacture ABS. One is INEOS and the other would be BEPL. We are seeing a significant upside or significant jump spurt in the prices of ABS recently, and the demand is also pretty high. So I'm extremely bullish on the stock. The December quarter was also excellent. The company reported a PAT of around 103 crores against a loss of 33 crores which it reported in the December quarter of last year. And I'm told that there have been some supply disruption from Korea as far as ABS is concerned, and that has resulted in a spurt in the price of ABS. So fundamentally a solid company. I would recommend a buy at the current levels with a target of 1,500 rupees in the next 9 to 12 months. The second stock which I like is Sumitomo Chemicals. It's a chemicals company, again an MNC with its parent based in Japan. Sumitomo Chemicals of Japan is the promoter of this company. This company recently had a merger with Excel Crop Care. So it's a leading company in the crop care, crop protection and agri chemical segment. The company enjoys a dominant 11% market share in the agri input space. Company has pretty solid fundamentals, and I think I was just checking its fundamentals. Its ROC is close to around 24%. It's a zero debt company, and I'm expecting tremendous growth in the years to come. So I recommend this stock at the current levels of around 295, and my targets are 375 rupees in the next 9 to 12 months.